Hi, I'm Brad from Viba Hardware, and today I'm going to be explaining how to assemble a divided panel style barn door. For this project, you'll need a rubber mallet and a drill, along with a Torx T25 bit and a Phillips No. 1. Inside your box comes all the hardware you need to assemble the door. These are what the components will look like. When laying out your door, please make sure that the letters match on each horizontal and vertical piece. Always start your assembly at the middle. You can then move on to the end pieces. Line them up, push them together. You may need to tap them into place to make sure that they are nice and flush, and then drive your bolt in. Once you have all the horizontal pieces installed, you can start installing your panel pieces. Make sure that you tap your very first panel piece into place and make sure that it is fully seated. At this point, you can install your second vertical piece. With this piece, it is crucial to start in the middle and work your way to the top and bottom. Make sure that the top and bottom are flush. At this point, you can install any decorative trim that you might have using the number 4 screws that come with your kit. And at this point, you're done assembling and you can start installation.